James Thao. I'm from Hanoi. I live in Hanoi City. I am 19 years old. My birthday is on December the 10th. I am a student at Academic of Finance. My favorite sport is basketball. There are four people in my family. They are my parent, my sister, and me. My father is a teacher, and my mother is a daughter. I good luck to traveling a lot because it helps me learn more about other lives. My hobby is go to the cinema. In my free time, I also like play with the friend. I don't like play volleyball. My favorite food is noodle. My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite day of the week is Monday. It marks the start. My favorite month is September because it marks the beginning of cool autumn. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. I like comedy. My favorite place, Hello, I like it because it's interesting. I like traveling. I have been to Japan. I most beautiful place in my country is Harlem. I study English because I think it's important.